moment for it. Against the light.
We are hallucinating.
We're almost at Gilly, let's go.
This is
And
not
we're almost
real.
The wind. The boat. Oh.
You know what I can think of right now?
What?
The two of us on my sofa and you are booking the tickets, Bali tickets. And
Yeah.
you look at me and I have a video of that. You look at me and you're like, Munira, we booked it.
done.
It's done. Please fucking stop so hard.
It's a waste, I can feel it in my bones. It's a waste, I can feel it in my bones.
In the boat, not feeling good at all. Finally, after what felt like forever, with two people just holding their mouth in to avoid puking, we are here. What do you think? Rough. No, I literally pulled out my camera and I said, I don't like this, I don't feel good. And then I put it back in and I slept. And what is this air? What is this wind? It's natural wind, and look at this.
If you stayed, you would see
First impressions, it feels like I've entered some old town. It smells a little like cow dung, but everything around, everything in the lane is very happening. So I'm excited. There's literally beachfront cafes, there's literally live music playing, and so much gelato, ice cream, everything's just looking fun. Let's go.
there's a voice, I can hear it in my head. There's a voice, I can hear it in
I've checked into the hotel. We're just heading down for a couple of things to buy. I have left my face wash at the earlier hotel because I did double check, but I didn't double check the shower area. And instead of keeping everything at the basin area, I kept the face wash at the shower area. So forgotten that, and just heading down for a couple of other things as well. Some water as well because I haven't been hydrated very nicely. So I'm just thinking of like grabbing 2-liter bottles and just drinking them so that at least I feel hydrated. Also, AC of the room is not, it says it's 16 degrees, but it's not even 25. So I am gonna complain. Alright, AC complaint done. Let's go. And we are back at the beach.
We are back at the beach. You have to turn the camera around. That's the disservice you're doing to them. Welcome to Harsh's vlog. We are having Porgentini. And we just arrived
Sam,
at
enter.
the island.
Enter the frame.
The rest of the group is missing. Oh, this is the beach.
11 p.m. on a Sunday night and we're out. We can't drink, smoke, do anything today because we've got scuba tomorrow. So we gotta be fresh for that, and we gotta wake up at 7. So yes. How's the Josh?
It is about to get high.
Hi, sir.
About to get high.
Let's go. Nice. Sober faces for today. We need wet faces tomorrow morning. Let's go for a pub crawl. Are we gonna drink at the pub? No. But yes, today's drink is gonna be Diet Coke. या फिर sugar free Red Bull. No Red Bull actually, I wanna sleep. I haven't. So Diet Coke or water.
For me, drinking water, eating food and keeping my phone charged, none of these things are happening here at the gym.
Okay, Diet Coke नहीं मिलती यहाँ पे. छी, क्या लोगे ये लोग? तो आज हम पियेंगे fancy बनने के लिए. We are gonna drink Perrier water, sparkling. Okay, let's go. There'll be beer pong and all that. No, it won't.
For you to Adele, सुना?
स्टेनलेस स्टील 302 का लीवर लगाया मैंने. क्या बोल दिया भाई ये? Surprisingly, we end up at a sweet stall after eating 120 grams of protein and saying that we won't eat junk.
कौन है ये
We end up.
इस वीक में मैं इंक्लूडेड नहीं हूँ वीक की बातें मत करो अपनी बातें करो
Yes. Nutella. Oh damn, that was so good. I like it. It's sweet and salty. I only suggested it to you.
Sweet and salty.
Just like we like it. Just offensing like 10,000 food bloggers there are by tasting. Ooh, they just put on some Biscoff on top of it.
I'm Kitana. She's the fangirl from Bobby Kapoor.
You are a fat girl with 3. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like a cheesecake.
Yeah? I like it better than the Oreo.
It is. It's the best
Oh,
one.
this is ours.
Yeah.
Yay! We have 2 good choices. Oh, yummy.
चौथा कहाँ डालेंगे? This is coconut. I like coconut as well.
I like coconut water.
This bounce feature is so nice. Perfect, thank you. How much? 140. Okay, taste test.
Doesn't fit right.
So in conclusion, mine was the best. So
You're so cute. Oh, look, bro, pull up. Pull up. Okay. Oh, yes.
guys.
Like, share, subscribe.
अबे हर बार नहीं बोलना होता है like share comment every time I'm putting a video.
We going where? Where are we going, bro?
Sunscreen क्यों लगा रही है?
Because हम पानी में जा रहे हैं पूल में जा रहे हैं
तो
क्लोरीन
covered है ना हम.
सन
Very scared about me getting tanned.
इतना हम से रुके
क्लोरीन से टाना था.
Take a video of this. Take a video of this. These are the fins.
I thought by 3 what is inside is to fly.
8 a.m. in the morning on a Monday and he's singing this. Fit check. Chavi, fit check.
Most of the diapers, they do equalize like this. They pinch the nose, but they pinch the nose. At the same time, they want to blow out from the nose, but 100% it block, right? So if you want to block it, as you adding the S right here, the S will be exhaling from the eardrum one side. Could be your eardrum. This happen? This happen? Yeah. That's equalize like this. We need to do every 1 meter during this. Every 1 meter? Yes. Because of the pressure is coming like this. Let's say this is the surface. The wind go down. Let's say this is your eardrum. And then pressure is coming from outside. As you go down within 1 meter, there is squeeze on your eardrum. This is the important one during this hand. Equalize everyone. Equalize everyone. Don't do, yes, this is go down.
This go down?
Yeah, this is go up. Same, in one hand, go up, go down.
Yes.
Slow down,
What is this?
slow down,
Slow down, okay.
stop. This is, I put my waist with one hand sometimes, or 2 hands, or slow down with one hand also is okay. But when I say like this, stop, I combine. Slow down, don't kick so much. Don't use your hand to swimming. Otherwise, you hit your body regularly. Then you punch the mask, they lose the mask.
It's like a Barbie. Oh my God! Wait, somebody take a picture.
Oh, there's a pink board. Wow.
लिखा भी है pink board.
That board looks so good. You can actually go. Alright, we're on the way to a beach. What's the name of the beach? Do we know?
Lulu Beach.
Huh?
Lulu Beach.
Lulu Beach. Wow. Okay. Cute. Damn. So yeah, and we're gonna be there for an hour inside. Multiple deaths. So yeah, I'm gonna see you on the GoPro. 3, 2, 1.
The defining moment. This could be the defining moment.
an experience. Can't to be counted. One of the many firsts, I think. I loved it. Damn. See you in the villa. Alright, day number 3 in Gili. Last day at Gili, and we... Yesterday I couldn't shoot much because we did scuba. And then we went for a boat party. And I felt really seasick at the boat party, so I couldn't record anything. But yeah, today is day 3, last day. Today's plan is to eat some Indian food because we've been craving. And then we are gonna go to the other side of the Gili island and explore the beaches over there. And there's a place called Rabbit Jump. It has a diving pool and I wanna dive from there. So let's do this. Aloo tikki Benedict. Yes. Cinnamon French toast. यार हम खाने वाले हैं आज हम खाएंगे.
ये नहीं खाएगी ना आलू टिक्की बेनेडिक्ट.
खाएंगे नहीं, बेनेडिक्ट मैं खाऊंगा. बेनेडिक्ट मैं खाऊंगा. टिक्की वो खा लेगी.
Can you hear it getting louder? Lift your voices now, we're feeling prouder. I'm moving on and never looking back. You know nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm gonna jump and shout.
मसाला पापड़ मिल गया भाई बाली में. और करी चिप्स. Let's do this. Curry fries. Curry fries going in.
Loaded something.
100%.
Hey, not a fuzzy.
Damn, पानी पूरी आ गया है. भाई बड़ा पाव लेके आए हैं.
Everybody, hey, it's time to wake up. Are we ready? Things are gonna shake up. Can you feel it? Feel it on the inside. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. We can always.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
First you.
First, take a bite.
Wow, that's the grainiest cake I've had. मुनीरा को आदत है ये
I
सब खाने
present
की.
to you my new invention. We're all trying to get
The last cake you'll ever eat.
The defining moment. This could be the defining moment. History.
Alright, out of the shower, got ready, and the outfit has been changed. We have rented a scooty and we are going to the other side of Gili, the peaceful side. We are quite late to go to the peaceful side because the sunset is done. But yay, we're going there. We are gonna chill on the beach and then come back and party. Let's go. We have come to a place called Rabbit Jump, where there usually is a foam party, but हमें foam party नहीं करनी है. We want to jump from this. Let's go. Alright, that's the cliff jump and we are sending it in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's fucking send it. Survived. Not dead yet. Done with the jump. I don't know, yaar. Crazy tha. Second wala though. We have thought because Gili Island is a circle, we will take an entire circle through the island. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. We're gonna see every nook and corner.
Is that Mike Malak?
No.
Guys, we've been in Indonesia for 6 days now and we still
No,
haven't
he's not.
spotted Central Sea. I don't like where this is headed. I only came here for Central Sea.
Yeah, I swear.
It's my birthday cake.
Alright, we're getting Nosha's birthday cake.
It's my birthday, we're getting my birthday cake.
Let's go. Gumi karte, we found an acai bowl place. So yeah, we are customizing our own acai bowls. Look at this. They've got options from, they've got granola, they've got white chocolate, Oreo, raisins, chia, all of this. Yeah, we've chosen a acai berry bowl, and we can add like 2 fruits and like 3 toppings on top of it. So yeah, pretty nice. I changed my mind. I want to have some soft food. Got some chocolate. Say it again.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Dying in sweat. Going back to Bali from Gili
Abhi
on a
nahi.
boat. Worried about what the hell is gonna happen. I've taken a pill for seasickness, but I don't trust it.
I think I trust it and I trust you guys. The best part about like being on a trip with your best friend is that you don't have to send reels to him. You can just show them to him while he's here. And I want you all to see the type of shit I send her.
Which is sure to me. Now I expect more. Yesterday's crop top was my limit, that's all.
Time and time I think about the days when simple melodies were unified.
It has been an eventful morning. We just reached Ubud with the ferry.
And we didn't get seasick.
Yeah, we didn't get seasick because we had a tablet of seasickness, but the side effect of that tablet is that you get sleepy. You get very, very sleepy. Yes. So I slept the entire way in the ferry. I slept the entire 1 hour in the bus, and the driver has stopped at a restaurant which is called Sangam. Yeah, I just woke up for food. But now I feel much better. I think it has dosed off the medicine. And now I'm very excited because I saw a huge patch of just like fields and forests and everything. So let's go. How is this a restaurant? There's an artificial waterfall. Ooh, there's fishes in a pond.
Caught in the rhythms of a sweet escape. I do remember. I do remember. I miss the times where we used to freely dance as a harmonious union. We stood strong. I do remember. I do remember.
Trying mango sticky rice for the first time.
Beans. These are beans. It's beans.
Ooh, moving on to the brownie.
कोची कोई नहीं खा रहा कोची कोची
Turn the speakers up, got the top down, my record's on. Keep my people up, going downtown. The night is young. Go the
This is
distance.
the fit for tonight. Just a tank top, some nice watch, and some denims. And some sandals. No, and some forums because of the fit. Spark or Last It is probably karaoke or something like that. Not very sure about it, but let's head. Let's go. And we'll figure
We're out here in Ubud, but the scenes are dull and it's just what?
It's not even 12.
11:47, not even 12.
Ubud is a family area. Yeah.
So don't come here unless you want to make kids.
No. You can make kids anywhere in Bali, but don't come here if you want to party till late. But come here if you love waterfalls.
Oh, let's go.
Today we are gonna be trying the very famous Poop coffee. We are tasting the Poop coffee.
हाय ये क्या बंडीबाजी चालू है